Alright, what's up you guys? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another breaking down the game of volleyball, episode 2, and I'll put the link down in the description below for the game that I'm reviewing, and I also added the previous game on that video also, so you'll be able to check out the game that I'm reviewing. So just a friendly reminder before we get on to this episode, to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and also helps you find videos that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram in regards to any of the videos that I make throughout the week. So if you have any questions, any questions about the segments that I have throughout the week, definitely give me a holler on there. But now let's get on with this video. Also, just a heads up, you'll probably might hear the fan in the background just because it's, it's still pretty hot outside. So let's get on with this video. Alright, it's cool. We're cooled off for a little bit because we're sitting out for a little. So we usually play 2 on, 1 off because there's 3 teams, so we just alternate from there. Nice serve, nice pass. Ooh. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, reset. 1, 2. Alright, reset. We warming up, so we're still warming up. 1. Yeah. Oh, that was so unnecessary. Yeah. Why you gotta do him like that, bro? As you can tell, we're going like slow on this rally, and then he just comes out of nowhere and just pummels that ball. Like, what? Nice serve. Free ball. Nice pass. Nice set. Oh my gosh, he's just on a rampage this game. What is this? 2, 3. Aw, sad. You hate to see those type of things kind of happen. Nice pass. D-ball. Sorry, it was like I let him a little too much on that one. Nice serve. Oh, out. Nice set. Oh, that's a nice spot in the corner. High in the corner. Ooh, nice cover. Oh, that's annoying. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick pause right here. So yeah, when I'm playing like defense, I guess it all depends. Normally when I'm playing libero, I'll do a left back just because in case the setter gets that first ball, I'll be able to get that high ball that's in the middle, and then I'll be able to set like anyone basically except the middle. But when you're playing middle back libero or middle back in general, normally you do have those 2 corners in the back. Those are definitely like one of the harder balls to get because you're basically going to be diving at that point. And if you're not like back enough or not ready enough for getting those motions going left or right laterally, most likely you probably won't be able to get those. So definitely when you're playing middle back row, definitely be ready to move left or right for those deep corner shots. Ooh, nice set. Oh, that was like beautiful. Insane. Nice high corner shots, baby, all day, every single day. Dang, everyone's hitting like corner shots in this game. Like, what? I'm gonna go back a couple seconds. So like, as you can tell, 1 second, I'm gonna let them serve. Hold up. I'm gonna pause it at the point of contact. Alright, so here is realistically, as you can tell, like you can look at my hips, they're facing the left pole. So most likely where that ball is going to the left, but the only reason why I kind of popped it up to the right is because I twisted my shoulders. Realistically, when you're passing the ball like this, it's either you go on and take a step up, take it with your hands, so then you'll be able to have more control. But for me, because like the ball always slips out when I try to overhand pass sometimes, especially if it's on a hard serve. So realistically on this play, most likely take a step back or two really quickly, and then turn your hips facing where you want to pass the ball, because then that whole momentum of your body will change the direction of the ball so that it goes towards the setter who's on that right front. And then realistic, yeah, that's the reason why I kind of jumped. You should never really be jumping when you're forearm passing. It throws the whole balance off. But just because I think I've played so much volleyball, just like I've been accustomed to like doing this, not the best passing technique. It's more like a last resort type of passing in my opinion. So yeah, when it comes to passing with these hard passes, either take a step forward with your hands or take a couple steps back very quickly, forearm pass it, but then also remember to change your hip direction so that it goes to where you want to pass the ball. What's up? Oh, okay. It might not be the most traditional shoot. At least it seemed faster when I was setting the ball, but that was what we planned for, is a shoot ball on a good pass. It was like a little slower. It was more like a 32 pace, but the 31 idea. So, and then for people who are watching that aren't too familiar what a shoot is, it's basically just like a quick set. It's basically like I would say a 2.5 ball for the outsider, but then it's more like you're setting it pretty quickly, so that's why it's called a shoot, because you're pushing it very fast, but then it's not too high. When the hitter is making his or her approach, you normally probably want to take that first step before, like a second before the setter touches the ball, so then you'll be able to like get that quick momentum, because that's the whole idea of the shoot set, is to make a quick pace for the volleyball game. But as you can tell, like especially with people that you just meet at open gyms, it's kind of up in the air. I kind of only do it after a couple good sets with them, so then it builds up their momentum, their confidence, you're like, that whole compatibility with them. So that's why I kind of do it a little later in the game, especially with people that I have not played with before. See the ball? Oh, my bad, bro. Take a quick pause here. So yeah, as you can tell in that like little sequence where like in the middle back and me kind of miscommunicated, realistically that should be my ball. I probably didn't call it ahead of time. And he's pretty quick. I believe his name's Omar Odom. Sorry man if I forgot your name. I think it's one of his two. I'm going with Omar. But yeah, as you can tell, definitely should have been the two wings that are up in the front. It should not be the middle back's responsibility to get that short ball. So definitely the wings. Realistically, I should take it because I think it was a little closer. So that's just all the whole aspect when it comes to communications and then knowing your position and your responsibility on the court. Cool. Let's serve again. I'm gonna take a quick pause here. So when it comes to blogging, especially, I know I've done this a whole bunch of times. Definitely keep your eye on the ball, especially when it's that tight to the net. But always be careful about your surroundings, especially in an open gym, because sometimes people may cross the line a little bit. So always be like careful, worrisome. I always get worried when I like set the ball, so that's why I try to push the ball a little off the net from what most people may like, just because I'm trying to avoid that whole situation where anyone kind of like crosses legs. So that's how I like to play safely. That's just me. So like most of the time people don't like it when I'm setting, because I know I set them off the net, but I'm just trying to get as many good rallies as possible. So it's still open gym, always trying to be safe. Nice pass. Oh, way to get up there. Happy birthday. All right, cool. So that's it for this episode of breaking down the game of volleyball, episode 2. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little different than what it was before, but definitely put your thoughts and comments down in the comment section down below. I'll definitely post this game in the description below if you want to watch the whole thing. And also don't forget to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and also helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram like I mentioned before, so if you have any questions about any of the segments that I have throughout the week, definitely give me a holler over there. But I'll see you guys on another video. It's your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.